Right, there's cars and there's cars. This is an Audi SQ7 in the beautiful Sepang blue, 2016, 66 registration, 65,000 miles on. But the SQ7 diesel, 4-litre V8 engine, they sound incredible and they've got so much power. The Newton meters of torque is an absolute joke. This car, brand new, was just over £93,000. That is a lot of money, but it means that somebody today who wants a very special car is going to get it with a live pricing at $45,990. That is less than half price, and this car's got everything. I mean, when I say extras, there's £23,000 worth of just factory optional extras, all sorts, things that you don't even need. But you know what? If you're going to buy a car, buy one that looks as mega as this. They're a 7-seater, great miles per gallon, like I said, lots of power, and a $45,990, you're not going to find another one like it in the UK today, and that's a fact because I've been looking, there's nothing that comes close. The colour combination, the spec, everything about it, the service history, it's just a full-on, it's a weapon, it's beautiful. Someone who's got kids, who needs a 7-seater, needs a big boot, but wants power and wants style, this is it. And it's just not going to hang around. So if you like what you see, ring the number below, which is my name and number there, and I'll help you. I don't care what time of day it is, because this car will probably sell tonight, just before midnight. I'll get a call at 11:30 and someone will just buy it. I know they will, because it's special. So where do I start from? Everything's been fully de-chromed. This car's been fully murdered out. Now it is modified. I'm not going to hide that fact because it's been modified in more than one way. But someone who buys this car and wants all that power and the looks, they probably would modify it themselves anyway. But what do you get? You've got the LED style daytime running lights with the full LED matrix headlights. They're not cheap, and that's an upgrade. You've then got all that black styling pack going on, which is the black grills, black inserts, and then this car's got adaptive cruise control. This car also has a dynamic pack on it, which costs just over £5,000, which is, yeah, the car's 4-wheel drive, we all know that, but it's got all-wheel drive, so the back wheels turn ever so slightly to give it better turning angles. It's also got the rear active differential lock on it as well, which is amazing. There's so much on it, half of it you won't even know you're using it, but it's there. But adaptive cruise with stop go and start go, that's amazing. You've then got a full kit. Now, the SQ7 comes with a big bumper already, but the Denton Maxton kit there, which is the full splitter, the side and the rear, just enhances an already beautiful looking car. The car's done 65,000 miles. Please take this with a pinch of salt, but has the car got some level of wear, like stone chips on the front, a couple of bits here and there? 100% it does. It's got 65,000 miles on. But you know what? You're not paying £93,000, you're paying $45,990. The interior, however, is literally brand new, which I'll show you in a few seconds. On the exterior, you're just going to see a few bits, and I will try and point it out because none of it is disgusting, it's just natural wear. Stone chipping's been most of them. As I go around the side, you've got the full colour-coded arch kit, front and rear, and then you've got this Riviera upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels. Now they're forged alloy wheels, so the design pattern behind that just looks amazing. It suits this car again. Now 21-inch wheels are good enough, but 22s just finishes this car off. It looks mega. That Denton Maxton side skirt, which is flared, sat just snug underneath that side skirt there. All colour-coded, that side strip with the Quattro, all in black. And remember, this is not an ordinary 3-litre diesel. It's the V8 4-litre turbo diesel engine, which has great sound behind it. I'm going to show you this because the car has been modified, and for a good thing, because it gives it more power. These cars come with an immense amount of power to start off with. As factory setting, they come with 450 brake horsepower. Now this one's been remapped to give it 540 brake horsepower with a Newton meters torque of 984. That is an immense amount of power. But you know what, if you're buying this car, it's what you'd want. If you look inside, you've got that quilted leather, full leather interior, electric seats, and then the spec just goes on. Flat bottom steering wheel, the ambient lighting pack, which is an extra. You've got electric seats and memory seats for driver and passenger. You've got the Bose surround sound system. The lighting, just go down there at the top, you'll see you've got the lighting on the centre dash, the door cards, and even the dash down the bottom there. Centre armrest with splits in half. The full slide and tilting sunroof. And if you're buying this car, there's a very good chance you have kids Now this wasn't part of the £23,000 extra. This is an extra on top of the extra. It's got full Audi Entertainment mobile system in it. It's all touchscreen, one there, and they're nice large screens. They're perfect really. It's all dead easy. Connect to Wi-Fi, do what you want to do. The car's then got full carbon inlays, so you see the door cards there, front and back, and the centre dash. It's all got carbon fibre in it. The extra speaker system continues around the back. Rear passengers have dual zone climate control, so the passengers in the back can have hot this side, cold that side. All the reading lights and everything else is there. The quilted leather continues around the back as well. But just look at the condition of the seats. The back of the seats, the base of the seats, the hard back there, the roof lining, everything is particularly nice. The Alcantara sections in the door cards. This is genuinely a one-off fine example with a mega spec followed by mega power and sound. Because if you come, it's one of them cars, they make a great sound, and I'll let you listen to it in a minute. The front end is beautiful. The inside is spectacular. The back end is absolutely immense. So first of all, you'll notice you've got the black tinted rear lighting system. So you've got the LED arrowed lighting there with the dynamic sweeping indicators as well. But the actual casing inside the lens is all black, so it gives that more stealthy look straight away. You've got the SQ7 double-lipped rear spoiler. You've got that humongous rear bumper with the quad pipe systems, and they're finished in black as well. So that's two on each side, and with the corner dent and Maxton splitter as well. So see the diffuser right at the corner there, an extra. Automatic tailgate. This one then has 360 camera system. So that's camera in the front, cameras in the side, camera in the back. Your tonneau cover, your partial shelf. But look at this for space again. So all 7 seats are up, and you've still got enough space to put certainly a pushchair, shopping, suitcases. Underneath here, you've got more cubby hole, and then you've got the amplifier and subwoofer, etc. These seats, if you're not going to use seat 6 and 7, they can go down. Just press the buttons, and then they will. Which one is it? That one and that one. I need to fold the headrest, don't I, first? Silly me. How easy is that? Absolutely not an ounce of struggle. And now you've got a massive car that's very practical, with great performance, without fighting. Your kids bring their friends round, you go to football for the day, or wherever you want to go, press them 2 buttons, off you go. Now when you're buying a car with so much power, it's probably because you're a power freak and you want all that and grunt and everything else. Or it's probably because you've got a big caravan or a trailer or a horse box or something and you want to pull it, you've got a jet ski, whatever it may be. This car also has electric deployable tow bar. So you press the button, a few seconds later, the tow bar comes out. So you can utilise it. But when you're not using it, with it being electric deployable, it's out of sight, out of mind, so it looks super neat. It looks like a good sporty 4x4. But when you want to use it, you don't get your hands dirty, the electrics are there, plug it on, lock it on, off you go. Enjoy your weekend, a long week away. When you're finished with it, press the button and it folds away. Obviously suspension adjustments and all the other buttons are here as well. I could go on about this car for 2 weeks. It's got that much going on, genuinely. But if you go down that side for me, Tom, you'll notice straight away the wheels are immaculate. No corrosion, no curb damage, nothing. But again, there's no dents or scratches. That's key. The car's been very well looked after. Other than what I said, a few stone chips, which you're going to see, and it's very realistic. But actual bodywork, the interior, the driver's seat. I've seen cars that have done 22,000 miles and it just looks like it's done 222,000 miles because the driver's seat upholstery is completely collapsed, it's ripped, it's torn, it's crushed, it looks shabby. Have a look at this. The car's done 65,000 miles. You can see it's original leather. So this section here, where a lot of the wear, as you get in and out, this upholstery, because it's chunky, it's got that bucket styling, it's supposed to cup you in the seat. It's nice, it's bulky, it's still there. There's very little wear whatsoever. And then same again with the base. And we haven't done anything to this. We haven't sort of cosmetically repaired it to make it look better for the video, nothing like that. This is how this car's been brought into us, which is nice to see that customers who have owned their cars, they've looked after them. Because sometimes I'll get in and out without no care in the world. But when you own something and you paid a lot of money for it, if you do get in and actually look after your cars, you can keep it looking like this, no problem. Back to extras. You've got heads-up display, just there. The Audi virtual live cockpit, which has navigation on there, the speedo and everything else. You've then got carbon fibre elongated paddle shift. The adaptive cruise we know about already, the lighting there, the media systems such as navigation, DAB, all that's there. Heated seats in the front, dual zone climate control, and then things like park assist. If you look on the website, we've listed all the extras and you'll see what the £23,000 of extras are, because there's that much of it, and I do mean there's that much of it. And then the media is an extra on top. The wheels are an extra on top. Them wheels aren't cheap, and the make of them wheels are not just some nasty sort of aftermarket ones. They're a very good quality wheels that suit this car. It's amazing. When I said it's a one-off, I completely... Have you heard? This is a diesel engine. Have you heard? I only drove this car around the block because I always like to drive the cars that I think, you know what, it's been remapped. Let me see what the difference is. You can feel the difference. And that doesn't make you a yob. It just means that it's been enhanced to give you a bit more power. An already powerful car, just a bit faster, while still looking very sensible, very sporty, very practical. And at 45,990, I will be flabbergasted if this car hangs around for too long. Because why would it? Because if you're looking for a 7-seater and you want with all the bells and whistles, it doesn't get any better if that's the thing that you're into. It's not for everyone, like I said. And it's not a case where you can get one cheap, because of course you can, but I can guarantee you it won't have £23,000 of extras. I can guarantee you it won't have 948 newton meters of torque and 540 brake horsepower. Absolutely no chance. The wheels, all the bits I've spoken about over and over again, this car's got, that makes it very, very special. And then remember the colour combination, Sepang blue, a very iconic colour. Such an exciting motor. Don't miss out. If you're in the market and you're looking for a car, one like this, it won't be here this time next week. So don't think if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, because sometimes in life, you just got to go and grab it. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.